And here's what's moving markets today. Charlotte's Web Holdings reported its financial results for the first quarter ending March 31st, 2019. The company's Q1 revenue was reportedly $21.7 and their net income was $2.3 million or 2 cents per share, fully diluted. CWEB's cash and equivalents at the end of the period was $69.1 million Trulieve Cannabis Corp reported its unaudited interim financial statements for the 3 months ending March 31st, 2019 and 2018. Q1 revenue was $44.5 million and net income was $14.7 million or 13 cents per share, fully diluted. Cash and equivalents were $20.6 million Acreage Holdings Inc. reported financial results for the quarter ending March 31st, 2019. Q1 revenue was $12.9 million and net loss was $31.2 million or 39 cents per share, fully diluted. Cash and equivalents were $140 million Acreage also announced its shareholders holding approximately 91% of all votes eligible to be cast at the special meeting of Acreage shareholders have indicated support for the Canopy Growth Agreement. Biome Grow Inc. has released consolidated financial results for the first quarter ending March 31st, 2019. Q1 revenue was $340,000 and net loss was $642,000 or a cent per share. Cash and equivalents were $738,000. Origin House has released its financial results for the 3 months ending March 31st, 2019. Q1 revenue was $11.2 million and net loss was $17.4 million or 25 cents per share. Cash and equivalents were $39.3 million. Khiron Life Sciences Corp. Announced that it has closed its previously announced bought deal short-form prospectus offering of common shares, including the exercise in full of the over-allotment option. 9.9 million common shares were sold at a price of $2.90 per common share for aggregate gross proceeds of $28.75 million. The company intends to use the net proceeds of the offering to develop and build out facilities in Uruguay and for the marketing and sales of cosmeceuticals. Khiron Life Sciences Corp. Also announced its addition to the MJ ETF MG Alternative Harvest ETF. The fund has approximately $1.22 billion in assets currently under management. This represents an important development for the company as it advances its strategy as a Latin American cannabis company with global growth. WeedMD announced that it is converting its fully licensed 26,000 square foot Alymer, Ontario facility to a large-scale cannabis extraction and processing operation. MediPharm Labs announced that it has entered into an agreement with Scotiabank, pursuant to which the underwriters have agreed to purchase 10.8 million common shares of the company at a price of $5.55 per share for gross proceeds of $60 million. The company plans to use the net proceeds from the offering to fund the company's ongoing capital expenditures at its Canadian and Australian facilities for domestic and international expansions and research and development. Organigram Holdings announced it has recently shipped more than 130,000 units of pure CBD oil destined for markets across Canada. Halo Labs announced that it has partnered with HITI Inc. to introduce Halo-produced products through HITI's distribution channels. HITI has an extensive distribution network throughout Canada, the United States, and Europe, with an impressive portfolio of subsidiaries. The first phase of the collaboration will be a rollout of in-house dab tabs, a do-it-yourself kit in which they can pre-fill dab tablets with measured doses of either cannabis or CBD. The partnership will generate distribution of this product throughout Canada, US, and Europe, and will be the first of many products that the companies will launch jointly. And that's your news for today.